Name is Mel De Los Santos, currently based here in Colorado, but from the Cagayan de Oro, Philippines. The difference between our students and yung students natin sa Philippines, medyo kakaiba yung way of respect nila sa mga teachers. Dito parang equal yung treatment ng mga students at saka mga teachers. Although kinakakaya naman ng mga teachers, but yung mga students natin sa Philippines, iba yung binibigay nilang regard sa teachers nila. Pero controlled naman. I think to be honest, parang feeling ko pareho lang naman talaga yung traits ng mga student, ng mga bata. Lahat sila pareho lang naman. Pag na-feel nila at na-feel nilang kaya kanilang i-trust, natatame mo naman, nakakaya naman. Ang reason kung bakit ako pumunta ng Amerika is professional advancement. At the same time, financial din. I mean, gusto ko din kumita ng malaki. At the same time, parang ma-experience kung ano yung feeling ng being in America. But professional advancement in a way, kasi as a special education teacher, marami kasing mga things in the Philippines na hindi ko na-experience as a special education teacher. When I moved here in America as a teacher, marami akong na-experience, like having to meet different professionals, like mga occupational therapists, na-meet ko yung mga psychologists, lahat sila throughout IEP meeting. Na-experience ko din gumawa ng IEP na thorough talaga, yung pinag-iisipan, yung mga factors concerning the kids, concerning things that na kailangan para sa development ng mga bata. So, yun yung maganda at yun yung gusto kong ma-experience being here in America. Actually, yung dream talaga is to really expand my horizon, kasi I feel like maganda talaga pag yung exposure mo is malaki. Like when you had exposure, I mean, maganda naman yung exposure natin in the Philippines. Maganda naman. Pero when you go out from your comfort zone, that is where you grow. That is where you become parang kumbaga more parang diverse yung experiences mo. And I think yun yung isa sa pinakamagandang thing. Although maganda din na nakakapagpadala ako sa Philippines, na-enjoy ng mother ko at saka ng father ko yung pinaghihirapan ko dito, maganda yun. Pero personally, maganda din yung na-experience ko, nakikita ko yung differences, kasi we grow a lot with differences. We grow a lot by getting or by learning their culture here. At the same time, we were able to gain also from sharing our culture in the Philippines. Actually, happy nga ako na pinapakinggan ng mga co-teachers ko, pinapakinggan ng mga students ko yung traditions natin in the Philippines na wala naman dito sa Amerika. Even yung superstitious beliefs natin sa Philippines, parang na-amaze sila na may mga concept tayong ganun. So, that is something na parang nagugustuhan ko in a way of being here in America. Now, the ultimate dream that I have really is to be exposed, to be a wanderer. Kaya isa din talaga yun sa dream ko. Kaya nagpunta ako na Amerika. Wala naman kasi akong ibang naiisip na profession na pwede kong pasukin other than being a teacher, kasi yun talaga yung gusto ko, yung maging teacher. But when the idea of coming to America opened, parang gusto ko din yung concept ng coming to America and being able to learn from them professionally, personally, holistically. So yun yung gusto ko. And the dream also, yung kahit papano yung gusto ko na hindi available sa Philippines, nakukuha ko na at the same time. And kahit papano nakakatulong ako sa mga taong nanghihingi ng tulong sa akin in the Philippines. Although hindi ko naman yung responsibility, pero masaya ako kahit papano nakakaabot ako kahit konti.
Worth it?
Super worth it. Super worth it. Coming here in America, super worth it talaga. I mean, having to be here in America, sobrang sulit talaga. Lahat ng frustrations, lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, kasi hindi naman talaga madali. I mean, sobrang mahirap yung process na pinagdadaanan. But when when you sum up everything, tapos nandito ka na, living up the dream. Kaya nga, I would like to share na nagsimba ako dati. First Misa de Gallo, ang pray ko talaga sana makaarating ako ng Amerika. And currently, living the dream, living that prayer. So it means a lot and sobrang talagang worth it. The idea lang na natututo ako, may natututo sa akin mula sa cultural experience ko sa Philippines. And at the same time, yung nakakatulong din ako sa mga taong nanghihingi ng tulong sa akin nang hindi ako nag-worry kung meron pa bang matitira sa akin. That experience, it's really worth it talaga. Well, sa lahat ng mag-a-apply, you have to be very mentally strong. You have to really make sure that you are physically lahat ready talaga. Kasi maraming challenges na that will hamper your way somehow, but being with Teach USA, I think really one of the things that I really like about having Teach USA along the journey is that it gave me clarity and at the same time peace of mind, kasi mahirap yun hanapin in the journey of being in the US. Paano kung mag-isa ko, wala akong kakilala, wala akong natatanungan kung ano yung nangyayari. And having Teach USA, being able to ask questions, being able to reply to me, reply to my concerns, that speaks volume and that gives me peace of mind na kaya ko to, I will be able to get it. And yeah, so yun parang hindi madali. To be honest, hindi siya madali. Marami kang pagdadaanan kahit yung mga even financially, it would be very difficult. Pero when you pray hard and when you really look for the right people to help you, just like how I found Teach USA, then you'll be able to get that.